Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to register a new app in GitHub. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. So the main page in the upper right corner, we're going to have the login button. If you do not already have the login button and you do not have an account, you can just click sign up and there you can get started creating your account. So once you have got your account, we can log in and now we're ready to get started. So by logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page where you can take a look at all the repositories we have. We can take a look at our home info and so on. And now we can get started by registering our app. Basically guys, we are going to go ahead and be adding our application using a repository, and you can go ahead and create a new repository immediately right here on the left side screen. As you can see, we can take a look at all the repositories and we can click new button. So by clicking the new button, is going to enable us to create a new repository. This is going to contain all project files including revision history and so on. And if you have gotten your repository ready, there's where you can upload your code for the application and make the application downloadable and register it. So basically entering the repository name you want to use right here, give it a description if you want, make it public or private depending who you want it to see, and after that we can get started. By clicking the create repository option, it's going to create a new repository. We can find right here on the left side screen in the repositories. You can even go ahead and open up your repositories by clicking your profile picture right here in the upper right corner and clicking repositories. This is now going to go and show us the repository where we can upload all the info and all the source code for our application and register it right here and use it, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.